Good day everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to save your money and without replacing your laptop to new one, just to replace battery in it. I have a HP 360 Pavilion which can do basically this. And when I saw this option, I was like a blonde who just saw new version of iPhone. I was like, oh my god, oh my god, oh my god, I want this, and I bought it. Also, it has touch screen, if you don't know. So basically you can do like this, and it has touch screen. Never used this option in my life. Not touch screen, not this reverse revolving, not this option with the screen. Basically, I could have buy a cheaper option, but I was a blonde at the time. I saw it looked cool. Anyways, it's a nice machine. I was doing all videos on it. It's like pretty much powerful for Adobe Premiere and Adobe Photoshop and for After Effects. Can you imagine? Most of the videos I've done on this laptop. Right now I assembled a much powerful PC which has a Intel 9900K processor and a very powerful graphic card which is 2080 Ti from GeForce. Assembling process I will show you later on in my other video. Right now I'm telling you how to save your money and just change battery. Just imagine cost of laptop $1,000 and I bought batteries only just for $80 US so on internet online. So let me show you the process. It's a super simple. Let's go.